Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on POCO F7 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now select this application and click install. Then click open and click on this button to skip introduction, then click don't now and click open permissions. Then select the AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and now you can go back, then go back again and you can click start. And as you can see right here there is my ChatGPT widget and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.